Years of feedback haven't gone unnoticed. Honda's subcompact crossover has been solid in so many ways with great space and features, but certain limitations held it back from truly competing. That's changing with the 2027 model year, as the 2027 Honda HR-V solves every owner complaint. Hybrid powertrain coming. Up until now, the HR-V has been carrying the same naturally aspirated 2.0-liter inline-4 it inherited from the Civic. Reliable? Absolutely. Competitive? Not quite. That engine puts out 158 horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque, which feels perfectly adequate around town but falls flat the moment highway merging or passing comes into play. When turbocharged rivals sprint ahead with ease, the HR-V is left working overtime just to keep pace. The continuously variable transmission doesn't help matters either, creating a powertrain experience that leaves drivers wanting more. Honda is addressing this weakness head-on. The 2027 HR-V is bringing a hybrid powertrain to the table, and it's not some experimental setup. This is the proven system already powering the Civic Hybrid, which means it's been tested, refined, and ready to transform the HR-V's driving experience. At the heart of this setup is a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine paired with two electric motors, working together through an electronic CVT. Numbers tell the story clearly. The combined output reaches 200 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque, representing a significant leap over the gas-only model. But the real advantage shows up in real-world driving. That instant torque from the electric motors fills in the gaps where the old powertrain struggled, delivering smooth, confident acceleration when merging onto highways or navigating through traffic. 0 to 60 comes in around 7.8 to 7.9 seconds, slashing more than a second off the current model's time. Efficiency gets a major boost too. The hybrid system is targeting way over 40 miles per gallon combined, putting the HR-V in legitimate competition with the most efficient models in its class. The 1.05 kilowatt-hour battery stays compact enough that cargo space won't suffer, while regenerative braking captures energy that would otherwise be wasted. Honda is positioning this hybrid as the core of the lineup, not some premium option, which means buyers won't have to choose between power and affordability. And speaking of positioning, that extra power means nothing if the exterior design doesn't match the performance upgrade, which is exactly where Honda made some thoughtful updates. Design that turns heads. From the outside, the HR-V carries an evolution of Honda's modern design language. Clean lines run from front to rear, creating a profile that looks substantial without feeling bulky. The overall length measures 179.8 inches, striking a balance between maneuverability and interior space that defines this segment. The front fascia sports a confident expression. LED headlights integrate seamlessly with a grille that's proportioned to suggest capability rather than aggression. Lower air intakes balance the upper grille, while body-colored accents add visual interest without cluttering the design. It's an approach that favors elegance over flash. Moving along the sides, character lines add dimension to the bodywork. The beltline flows upward slightly toward the rear, creating a sense of forward motion, even when parked. 18-inch wheels on Sport and EXL trims fill the wheel wells nicely, contributing to a planted stance that suggests the HR-V's capable handling. Color options include Boost Blue Pearl, a fresh addition that brings energy to the palette alongside more traditional choices. At the rear, taillights wrap around the corners with an LED signature that's recognizable even in low light. The tailgate design prioritizes function, opening high to provide unobstructed access to the cargo area. Subtle spoiler elements integrated into the roofline improve aerodynamics while adding a finishing touch to the overall silhouette. But the exterior is just the appetizer. Wait until you see how Honda transformed the space where drivers actually spend their time. Modern interior. Sliding into the HR-V reveals a cabin that walks the line between classic Honda functionality and contemporary style. The dashboard layout takes clear inspiration from the Civic, which is high praise considering how well that interior has been received. Controls fall naturally to hand with physical buttons handling climate functions, while the touchscreen manages infotainment duties. Material quality throughout the cabin exceeds expectations for the price point. Soft-touch surfaces cover the areas occupants contact most frequently. Hard plastics appear in less critical zones, but they're well-textured and don't feel cheap. Panel gaps remain tight and consistent, demonstrating attention to build quality that Honda has built its reputation on. Front seats offer comfortable support with enough adjustability to accommodate a range of body types. The seating position provides good visibility in all directions, aided by relatively slim A-pillars and well-positioned mirrors. Heated seats come standard on Sport and EXL trims, while the top trim adds features like leather upholstery with contrast stitching. Room in the second row impresses for this class. Adults can sit comfortably behind other adults, with adequate legroom and headroom that doesn't force passengers to compromise. The rear bench accommodates 3 across when needed, though 2 passengers travel more comfortably. Installing child safety seats proves straightforward thanks to accessible latch anchors and enough space to work. Storage solutions appear throughout the cabin. Door pockets accommodate water bottles, while a center console provides secure storage for valuables. The area behind the shifter includes a rubberized tray perfect for phones and keys. Cup holders are positioned logically, and the glove box offers reasonable space for documents. Cargo capacity measures 24.4 cubic feet behind the second row, which translates to genuine usability rather than just an impressive number. The space is shaped intelligently, with a flat floor and square sides that make loading easier. Fold the rear seats down, and total capacity expands to 55 cubic feet, creating a surprisingly versatile hauling machine that can handle everything from weekend getaways to home improvement runs. Of course, all that space and comfort don't mean much if you're missing the technology features today's buyers expect, and that's where things get interesting. Tech and safety features. The 2027 HR-V comes standard with a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration means smartphones connect automatically when drivers enter the vehicle. The interface responds quickly to inputs with logical menu structures that don't require extensive familiarization. A wireless charging pad keeps devices topped up during drives. Audio systems vary by trim level. Base LX models feature 4 speakers, while sport trims upgrade to 6 speakers for improved sound distribution. The EXL trim includes an 8-speaker system that delivers quality audio throughout the cabin. All models include HD radio and streaming audio capabilities through connected smartphones. Honda's commitment to safety shows through comprehensive standard equipment. Every HR-V comes with forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking, systems that can detect potential impacts and intervene when necessary. Lane departure warning and lane keeping assist help drivers maintain their position on highways and city streets. Adaptive cruise control adjusts speed automatically to maintain safe following distances in traffic. The system works smoothly, accelerating and braking without the jerky movements some systems exhibit. Blind spot monitoring on Sport and EXL trims provides additional awareness when changing lanes, while rear cross-traffic alert warns of approaching vehicles when backing out of parking spaces. Additional features include automatic high beams that switch between high and low beams based on oncoming traffic, tire pressure monitoring that alerts drivers to underinflated tires, and stability control that helps maintain control in challenging conditions. A multi-angle rear view camera provides different perspectives to ease parking maneuvers. With all these upgrades and features, you might be wondering if Honda is about to price the HR-V out of reach, but the answer might surprise you. Pricing and launch date. Honda is positioning the 2027 HR-V to remain competitive in a crowded segment. Despite the addition of the hybrid powertrain and technology upgrades, pricing is staying remarkably close to current levels. The base LX trim will start around $28,000, representing modest growth over the outgoing model. Sport trims are about to land near $29,500, adding features like heated seats, larger wheels, and enhanced audio without requiring a significant price jump. The range-topping EXL will likely settle around $32,000, which includes leather upholstery, additional safety features, and premium audio. All-wheel drive remains available across the lineup for an additional $1,500. This system enhances traction in challenging conditions without significantly impacting fuel economy or requiring major compromises in other areas. The 2027 Honda HR-V is scheduled to arrive in showrooms later this year. Production is ramping up at Honda's facility in Mexico, with early units already moving through quality control processes. Dealers are beginning to take advance orders, and customer deliveries should commence by late fall. Honda appears to have listened to every criticism that's been leveled at the HR-V over the years and addressed them systematically. The hybrid powertrain solves the performance gap that kept it behind turbocharged competitors. The refined interior brings premium quality to an affordable price point, and the technology package eliminates the compromises buyers had to accept before. Factor in pricing that won't force shoppers to stretch their budgets, and the 2027 HR-V is shaping up to be the complete package this segment has been waiting for. But the HR-V isn't the only small crossover that's seriously shaping up for the next year. Check out our next video about key updates on the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek. Already one of the best models in the class, the Crosstrek is getting important upgrades under the hood, along with new interior features, standard equipment, and many more.